Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm getting some major 2000s vibes I think from my makeup today. Also, my lips, I'm trying a new lip plumper and boy does it work. I feel like extremely plump. Anyway, today I'm gonna do just a little video talking about all the ways that I know how to tie a little scarf. I had the same scarf in my summer lookbook, and a bunch of you are like, oh my god, do like I can't freaking talk. Do a scarf tying video. So yeah, I'm basically just gonna show you all the ways I like to tie my scarf. And I'm just gonna hopefully think of them as they come and remember all of them. So if you want to learn about the magical ways of the silk scarf, just keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. So you just fold it in half. It's a nice square. These are like my favorite kind. They're just a big old square. I feel like they're the easiest ones to work with. Just fold it over like a big triangle, and there you go. I feel like this style is really popular right now on the gram. I've seen a lot of cute influencer blogger people always wearing it like this. It's just fun pirate vibes, but like classy pirate vibes. It's cute for summer. Okay, thumbnail. So like I had in the video, this is also hella cute for when you have your hair up. I think I had it back more and I pulled out some pieces. So that's another cute way. And then I just have this little scrunchie, just put it really quick. And then you just have a nice messy bun look. And somehow with your hair up, it's more like chic, less pirate vibes. But yeah, that's another way. Next up, if you have it like this, already folded over in half like we were just doing, you're gonna fold it up. So you have it like this, and then just start, make sure it's like lined up, and just start folding in this way. Normally I would use 2 hands, but just, yeah, do it that way so then the edge flap doesn't hang out, and now you have a nice little. So now you have your scarf like this, all nice and folded up. This way, there are so many options, so many different ways to style this. The classic, put it like halfway on your head, like so, and then bring it underneath, and I just kind of like move part of my hair to one side so I can get a hold of it. I've seen it where people bend over to tie it, but that just seems even harder for some reason for me. Yeah, and then you can just kind of readjust, and if I'm going out with it like this, I'll put in bobby pins or hair clips, because I don't know about you guys, but my hair is very slick, slippery, and it just kind of slides out after a while. But this is so cute. It's just like a nice headband style, adds a little oomph. And if you have a long scarf, also I answered this in a comment on my last video, but the very best place to get these silk scarves is at a vintage store, even a thrift store. They have a lot of them. Usually most vintage stores will just have baskets or like buckets of these, and it's just the best place. I have so many fun ones that I've gotten all over the world from vintage stores, and yeah, I love them. Okay, so if you have a longer scarf like this, do the same thing, but when you tie it, try to like angle it towards one side or the other, whatever side you want, and then pull like some pieces in the front, but then it like hangs down. Oh my god, my shirt's about to fall off. Hangs down, and then it's so cute. Like I love having this little tail action going on, and if you want to tie your hair back but leave the like tails out like this, that's hella cute. So cute, right? I need to wear this scarf more. Okay, back to the other scarf. Just a regular old ponytail. Nothing fancy. If you have a certain type of hair, you might not even need a ponytail holder, but it doesn't really work so well in my hair without a ponytail holder first. Also, if you have like a clear elastic one or a hair colored one that doesn't like stick out as much as my fat scrunchie, that would probably be good. But this is like one of my favorite ways. Super easy. Go under your hair with the scarf, wrap her around. I'm literally so not smooth at this. I don't know how people do it. Yeah, give her a little tie. I usually just tie it once, like really tight, but if you think it's gonna slip, you can do it twice. And it's so freaking cute. This is just like the most adorable thing ever, you know? I think whenever I see a girl with this in her hair, it's just adorable. So yeah, that's that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Next, this, I used to love wearing neck scarves. I don't even know. When I first moved to New York, I wore scarves on my neck so often. It was just like all I would wear. Get a nice, just double knotted it. That's like hella chic. This is like flight attendant chic, but so cute. Also turning it, now you're French, automatically. Just that slight turn is like, you're a French woman now. Like, look at that. She's French. Another way to do it is just keep wrapping it and then tie it in the back. I only wrapped it twice because this one's not too big, but if you have a bigger scarf, you might need to wrap it more. But just tie a little knot in the back, and then now you have like this coolest little choker ever. And you can, you know, play with it to get it how you want. I think this is so fun. I used to wear it like this and then also wear a necklace. That's super pretty. In the winter also, another Parisian like hack, like have a sweater and then maybe even turtleneck under this and then wrap like a cool scarf over your turtleneck, and it just looks so good. But I think that's a really fun way to have a scarf. And then if you have a longer one like this, just wrapping it like this, looping it under, okay, not so tight, and then make a nice big old bow. Also bring the loops like forward so it's not like straight like that, because that looks funny. But if you bring it forward, this is like very elegant. I don't know, it's just fun. If you have a simple shirt going on, simple dress, add like a little, definitely for a fancier occasion, I would say. Make a ponytail. I'm doing mine to one side just so you can see better, but I'm gonna loop the scarf in the ponytail holder. Pull up the scarf so it is about the same length as your ponytail, and then just section your hair into 3 pieces for a normal braid. Put in the scarf with one of the sections of the braid. Hopefully you saw that. I'm just gonna, for the sake of being able to not have to hold it, I'm gonna put a boppy or a clip there, but obviously that doesn't look quite right, but still you get the idea. It's really cute to put a little scarf in your braid. It gives you more of an oomph. If you have really excellent braiding hair, I don't really, because mine gets like thinner at the end. It's not like a solid chunk of hair. My friend Catherine has the perfect hair for this. Anyway, it just looks super good. And if you want to get even hazier, you have your braid, and then with the scarf in it, you can just do a little bun and then just pin the bun. I don't know what that looks like. I can't see, but hopefully it looks cute. More scarves. The classic scarf use, if you don't know what to do with it, but you just want to incorporate a scarf in your life, get your favorite purse, or a purse that needs a little oomph. Fold it over, roll it up like I showed at the beginning. The scarf is so pretty. I need to wear it more. So it's like this, and then get your bag. So I just put it through the loop of the handle here. Even if your bag doesn't have a loop, you can just tie tie around the handle like normal. And then like this. Like this. So easy. I don't know what you guys are expecting. I feel like all these are really just easy, but hopefully at least one of them you haven't seen before. But it just makes it so much cuter. I love doing this. I've done it with plenty of bags and it just zhuzhes them up, makes them more fun, and I don't know, like now this is more summery, you know, with this black bag, adding like a nice summery scarf. It's just everything. I'm trying to think of anything else. Oh, you can use it as like a belt. Let me demonstrate. Obviously it has to be a longer scarf in case, unless you're like a really, I don't know, tiny itty bitty thing, and you can use the regular scarf as a belt. I don't know if that's even possible, humanly possible, but just wrap her around. Ta-da! And you could like tuck it back in here if you don't want the tails. Tuck it under. Cute, cute. I'm like a scarf bonanza. I have a scarf in my hair, scarf on my waist, scarf on my bag. We love scarves. Any other way to tie? I mean, you could use it as a bracelet if you want. Oh, you can use it as a shirt. This long one. Tie it nice and tight for this one. Don't want it to be falling down. But, oh yes, cute bitch. Okay, I need to wear this more. I've never actually done that with this scarf, but it's cute. I enjoy it. 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 Okay, I think that's it, guys. Just want to do a little vid for the day. I'm hoping Sage brings back his fancy microphone so I can film the ASMR comments, reading creepy comments. If you follow my Finsta at Rohihi, then you know, right, Rohihi123, then you know all about that. I'm planning to do that soon because there are plenty of creepy comments and DMs that I can read through in ASMR. I hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, follow me on the gram, all of the above. Bye! Also, tag me in pics if you end up trying any of these scarf things or just get some like scarf inspo from this. Make sure you tag me because I want to see all your beautiful faces rocking these scarves.